Good morning, dear students. As you know that this is your English class. Today through this video we will do book exercise of chapter number 10, Two Little Kittens. Dear students, exercise A, comprehension, we will do in notebook. Okay, these question answer we will do in notebook. Now let's do exercise number B, vocabulary. Read the following. As quiet as mice. Mice are very quiet. The kittens were quite like mice, so we say as quiet as mice. We use as to compare the kittens to the mice. Match the phrases in column A with phrases in column B. Then write the correct phrase in front of each phrase in column A. Okay, firstly we will match, but I have not matched here. I have written only. Okay, you also do like this. Firstly, in number A you will write as busy as a bee. It has written. Number 2, as proud as a peacock. Number 3, as white as snow. Okay, it is complete phrase. As brave as a lion. As slow as a snail. As hungry as a wolf. As cunning as a fox. These are the complete phrases. Okay, as busy as a bee, as proud as a peacock, as white as snow, as brave as a lion, as slow as a snail, as hungry as a wolf, as cunning as a fox. Now turn to page number 79. Comparison of adjectives. We can compare two persons, places, animals or things. हम दो व्यक्ति को, दो स्थानों, दो एनिमल्स और या दो चीज़ों को कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं और ज़्यादा को भी कर सकते हैं. बट कंपैरिजन शोज द डिफरेंसेस इन क्वालिटी, शेप्स एंड साइज. क्या शो करता है? डिफरेंस शो करता है क्वालिटीज़ में, शेप्स में एंड साइज में बिटवीन टू पर्सन्स, places, animals or things. B, show comparison by adding er to adjectives using a different word. Okay, हम किस तरह से comparison show करेंगे? अगर comparison two people, two animals, two things के बीच में हो रहा है तो हम adjective में er को add कर देंगे. Okay, adjective में er add कर देते हैं. Okay, understood? Adding er to the adjectives. Soft, softer. Hot, hotter. Lucky, luckier. Simple, simpler. Simpler, not simpler. Okay. Now young, younger. Thin, thinner. Dry, drier. Rip, river. With a different word. Good, better, bad, worse. These are the comparative degree of these words. Good का better and bad का worse. राइट द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन एडजेक्टिव. अब हमें क्या करना है? कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म इन एडजेक्टिव्स की राइट करनी है. आई हैव रिटन हियर, यू ऑल्सो राइट. इन नंबर 3 यू विल राइट क्विकर. द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ क्विक इज क्विकर. हॉट हैज़ रिटन हियर. थिन, थिनर. नाउ सिली, सिलियर. वाइट, वाइटर. फ्रेश, फ्रेशर. कूल, कूलर. Sad, sadder. Bad, better. Funny, funnier. Merry, merrier. Wise, wiser. Fierce, fiercer. So these are the comparative form of the given adjectives. Now let's move to the next exercise. It's your writing part. He came back home at 4 o'clock. We have to complete the sentence saying same thing in the different ways. These are the same thing, but these are saying in different ways. अलग तरीक़ों से कही गई हैं. He returned home at 4 o'clock. He came back home at 4 o'clock. वो घर 4 बजे वापस आ गया. And वह घर 4 बजे वापस आ गया. दोनों का मतलब एक ही है बट हमने अलग अलग तरीक़ों से बोल दिया है. ऋतिक डिड नॉट टेक लॉन्ग टू डू हिज सम्स. ऋतिक बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम अपने सम्स को करने में नहीं लेता है. ऋतिक डिड हिज सम्स क्विकली. ऋतिक बहुत जल्दी अपने सम्स कर लेता है. In the days of long ago, there lived a beautiful princess. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess. Grandmother could not remember where she had put her keys. Now, right here, grandmother forgot where she had put her keys. Listening and speaking. Rhyming words. Fill in the blanks with rhyming words. There is a picture on the page. There's a parrot in a cage. This is my daughter. She drinks coconut water. Clowns are funny. Bears love honey. Come here. That's a deer. Now, do you think that little kittens fight was necessary? क्या आपको लगता है कि जो लिटिल किटेंस लड़ रहे थे वो फाइट ज़रूरी थी? What should they have done? उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए था? Tick the correct answer. They should have shared the mouse. क्या उन्हें माउस से शेयर कर लेना चाहिए था? और they should have complained to the old woman. या फिर उन्हें ओल्ड वुमन से कंप्लेन करनी चाहिए थी. What's in your mind? Take the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer will be number 1. They should have shared the mouse. So now, students, your book exercise has been completed. Complete your work of chapter number 10. Thank you and have a nice day.